All right. Here we are on Learn to Code 2, making your own portals. This one's kind of fun. It took me a little bit. When I finished mine, I actually looked to see what Apple's was, and theirs was actually wrong. So I'll show you what theirs is once we finish here, and that'll be fun. But here we are. Just copy and paste this or type it in. I wanted the portals. So when I looked at this without the portals, I said, all right, standing here, I'm going to collect that gem, move forward, turn right, collect gem, turn around, move forward, turn right, collect gem, keep doing that. And I was like, okay, at first I put a 4. I said 4 for 8 times, and I said, collect, move forward, do that. And I was doing that, and I couldn't get it right because I couldn't get the portal to turn on and off at the right time. I might be able to do it now just after being warmed up and making what I did make. But what I did was make a while, and I said while gems collected is not 8. So while you haven't collected that, you're going to be doing this, which is, pretty much what I said with the moving forward and all that. So you're going to put those portals there. You're going to make a turnaround, make a variable for gemCounter, and then I made a function it's called a gem. I said if you're on a gem, collect it and add it to the gemCounter. So here we're going to start. Turn my brightness on a little bit. All right. So first we're going to start with the green portal. And we're going to turn it off. We just need one of those, because if you use 2, it will not work because it's not a bool, I guess. So yeah, they're off. While we're here, if you hear that in the background, it's whoever this guy is. Tiny desk. Never seen it before, and it's kind of bumming the mood down a little bit actually. So I'm gonna change it. All right, so we're gonna start that off with it being off. And we're gonna say while gemCounter does not equal 8. And inside of that, we're going to start off with right here, and we're just going to put the function gem. So I know it says, if he's on a gem, and he's definitely on the gem, but oops. You're going to put gem in there, and then he's going to move forward. He's going to turn right. He's going to move forward. He's going to get the gem. Where this, oh my God. Where this gem is kind of important, because, I was trying to put an if, within the whole thing, like if isOnGem, which I guess I could have done that somehow, but couldn't figure that out either. But, just put it pretty much as soon as he gets on the gem, I want him to pick it up. So, before he turns around, I want him to pick it up just so that it will find, does not equal 8, or what we're going to make here in a second, quicker, I guess. Then we're going to say turn around. Then we're going to say if gemCounter equals 4, and what that's going to do is, so when he collects this gem, and when gemCounter is 4, we want this portal to turn on. And it's kind of weird with these portals turning on, like if you turn it on within the same if or something, and you don't, I don't know, the timing of them is kind of weird. Maybe that's just me. It's probably just me. So green portal. We're going to turn this to true. We're going to say, so he's already, collected it and he's turned around. So we're going to turn the green portal on. He's going to move forward. And when he moves forward, I set it up so that he lands right here. So he could do the exact same thing that he did once he started here. Instead of putting that in the middle and, having to move around a little bit more. So he lands right here and he's going to have to collect. He's going to get the gem. And then since he's coming from here, he walks onto here. It's going to be facing this way. So we want him to collect the gem, then turn left. Perfect. And then just one more if. We're going to say if gemCounter. I'm so tired right now. It's not even that late. It's only 10:53. I had a few glasses. I had 2 glasses of kava. If you've never heard of kava, you should look into it. Maybe I'll show you at the end of this video. So if gemCounter equals, I'm going to say 7 here because he's got those 4, 5, 6, 7. When he has 7, I want him to do a specific thing and then stop. So he's going to move forward. He's going to turn right. He's going to move forward. And he's going to gem. And that should be it. And then, so since he moves forward and collects that gem right there, he's got 8 right there. So once it comes back up here to, run this whole thing, it's going to say he has 8. So we're done. Nothing else to do. Also, where you put these ifs is important, and where you put, this part is important as well. I had it in the wrong spot for, 5-10 minutes. I was like, what's going on? And I went to step through my code and I noticed oh, it's going through this whole thing. And if you have this here, I'm pretty sure it doesn't check this if until it runs through that, then it checks that, then it checks that, then it runs through that, then it checks that, then it checks that. So it matters where it is, which is why I have 2 gems here. You can't just have one of those gems and it'll, gem, move forward, check for gem, move forward, check for gem. Which I'm still trying to figure out how exactly to do that. Which I guess would say, while not on gem. I don't know. I don't know. I'm too high for that. So this should be good here. I'm going to run it the fastest. So now gems equals 4. Those are on. He collects it, turns left, and then does the exact same thing as this. Bam. Wham. Bam. That was beautiful. Now I'll show you Apple's code. So it was wrong. Kind of funny. I imagine they make your own portals. Yeah, that's the right one. I imagine they changed the world. They changed the map for it, maybe. Because, yeah, look at that. Maybe it does work. No way. Oh, my God. It does work. Okay. Wow, I didn't let it run through. I'm an idiot. Damn. Wow. I looked at theirs and I was like, damn, that's so much shorter. And like, wow, that's that's so funny. I was talking shit. I was talking mad shit about fucking Apple's fucking code. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's a lot easier. It's a little confusing to me, honestly. Well, no, now that, yeah. So that's on move forward. If gemCounter is 4. Turn left, turn left. Okay, wow. All right. Yeah. That's a lot. Like, I don't quite understand. Why is that turn left there for 4? Well, yeah. Look at it yourself. Look at it yourself. I have some fun with that. I'm gonna go show you what kava does. Beverage or extract made from the Piper methysticum plant, South Pacific. It's a popular drink that's used for ceremonies, for relaxation. I'm feeling pretty relaxed. I did have some dabs, but I feel like I had like an edible almost, just like slumped. I was like doing this playground while I was drinking the kava, and I had 2 of them. Yeah, it worked. I was like, damn, I want to make the video while it's still fresh and while I could still talk mad shit about Apple's code, but none of those things happened in the end. People commonly use it for anxiety, use for stress withdrawal from drugs, benzos, sleeping problems, and many other causes. There's no good scientific evidence to support many of these uses. Cases of liver damage, even some deaths, have been linked to kava use. When I did search kava, I've seen a lot of like liver stuff. I mean, I'll show you what it looks like. So it's just a powder. So this one apparently is like quick one, I imagine. So you're supposed to, this one apparently they like boiled it down or whatever to make it where you can like literally pour this in a glass and like drink the powder, just like eat the powder straight if you really hated yourself. But maybe because you're supposed to strain it or like put it in like a cheesecloth and then put water in there, but not let the water, not let this, the powder, the kava root, mix with the water. So maybe people are drinking, the kava root, and maybe that, your liver can't digest that, I imagine, or just they're using, cloths or cheese. I bought a ball. I just bought like half a pound of this stuff because it is nice. And if you have a little, just like one glass, maybe if it was the morning, like sunny and I'm not tired already, it does make you, well, it depends on the blend. This is supposed to be like a morning blend, I thought. Maybe it's not. But there are like different blends, like different strains of weed that do different things. But yeah, you gotta strain it, I guess, as long if it's not extracted form like I supposedly have, and hopefully have. Yeah, people like there's like ceremonies and they they do all this stuff for it. It's a social ceremony where in Fiji where they have this pot thing and they have people bless it or whatever, say a few words. Ooh, I don't know if there's yeah they are. So they put it in there and they put the water in there and then they strain out the water. So you're not drinking the powder stuff and your liver doesn't have to digest that shit. And it looks like muddy water and it tastes like muddy water. But it's totally legal. I bought it on Amazon. Yeah. That's it because I'm tired as hell. And I want to post this before I don't want to post this. So, peace.